Hello guys, welcome to day 186 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to do two things. First of all, I'm going to continue practicing about creating the Discord interface, which I previously showed you in my last video. And the second one is I'm going to watch a video about QR code generator. I'm using this in node.js, so I'm trying to learn back end as well. So two things I have done: one, practicing the coding, and the second one is learning a new lesson on back end in node.js. So this is the last video that I'm trying to watch about node.js. Tomorrow I'm starting about express.js. I still don't know what is that, but I'm going to figure it out soon. Let's get back to our work, which is practicing the code. Of course, I have to tell you the part that I am trying to watch a video in learning how to create a QR code generator is not going to be in the video, because the video that I am watching, the course that I bought, has copyright, so I have to take care of that too. I cannot show the video that have the copyright. So let's get working on our codes. This is the Discord channel that I am trying to design the interface or coding it. And this is my channel. I'm gathering some programmers here. We are helping each other in learning programming. So if you want to join this channel, you can check the invite link in the description. And this is what I have created. These have a lot of div tags here, as you can see. I tried to just create a template for these columns and rows that you can see. But today let's colorize these div tags that I have created, so it can help me to work on this more better. Okay. So every div tag can have a style which has a background color. Okay, so this can have a background color of like green. This one can have something else, like this. So essentially I'm trying to just colorize the div tags. I think this one doesn't need to be colorized because this is the parent tag. It's the container actually, but this one can be like black. Purple. Maybe white. Blue. Let's see what has been done. Oops. I think this blue color here made me some problem. Where is the blue color? It should be here. So I said that the container should have a background color. Let's comment this. I think the problem should be solved. Nope, still nope. So now the white color has been making some problems. Where's the white color? This should be our white color. It's what's wrong with this? I am facing a problem here. ID, that right side column. I cannot see a pop-up window that can tell me what is wrong with these lines. So let's first of all sort everything in our page. Shift-Alt-F. And let's create setting hover. Control whether the hover is shown. Close this. Okay. Selector specifiety. CSS. Maybe the problem is here from the positioning of CSS, because I have put a style here and there's a style as well here. So, but these styles doesn't have a background color, so there's no illusion here. Expected CSS. We have a div tag. Okay. So the problem is this one, I think. Go. I have to cut it, put it here. Right? And we missed a lot of things here. Let me undo a lot of things here, because okay, Control S. Let's see if anything happened. Let's do it again, but this time very carefully. So we can say it can have a background color of green. We have no problem here. We can say background color of yellow. let's just delay the hover, like give it this already visible items may require a refresh before reflecting this setting. So it's in millisecond, I think so. We can say like 200. It would be better. Okay, it's getting better. Let's check the results here. Okay, nice. Now we can just do this same thing for the rest of the div tags. Good. Now we know what we are going to do. Of course, yesterday, as I mentioned, we need a div tag here as well. Here. So, what was this column name? It is text channel column. So in the text channel column here, we are going to create another div tag. Okay, let's call it we can call it voice, because it has some icon for voice or something like that. Microphones. Let's call it microphone. This is not column. This is row. This is a row. So microphone row. So as you can see, this should be the first row and here should be the second row. And let's change the color to something very obvious like red one. Now we have to say the microphone should be a grid row. So I'm just copying this and paste it. And now we can see something like Where it gone? One of the problems here is that this panel is bigger than this purple panel or div tag is bigger than the yellow. We have to fix that as well, but let's first of all see why we cannot see this row. So this row, or maybe I have to remove this and target the text channel div tag, right? We can say let me sort the codes. So this is the children of the text channel column. So we have to target this text channel column. Let me copy it again. And now we can say it should have rows but let's change the size because it should be in downside. So actually the first row should be bigger than the second row. The first row should be like 1 and the second one should be like this. Okay, let's make it bigger. Let's use our ruler to see. I cannot see anything actually. This is about 63 pixel. Okay, 63 pixel. And now how much we have here? We have 125. Let's check it again. It is a start from here. $72 or 75 height. $75 height should be. Okay, let's make it like 0.8. How much was this one? It's just, I think it's good enough for these. That's good. And now let's change the size of this one because either this is small or this is more big. One of these should be solved. Here we have about 239 pixel wide, 239. But here we have 186. 39 should be, this one should be bigger. So the text channel, I remember I put these two into one div tag, but text channel column, I think I did something wrong here. It was better to put this challenge 400 days column into one div tag here, right? So this should be one div tag. It is more better. So we have to make some changes. Where is it? This one, it will make a lot of problems if I cut it. So let's do something else, like changing the site of these two parts. I'm not going to put it in a one column. I supposed to do it, but if I do it, I think a lot of problems going to happen. So let's just resize these two columns the same as this one. So this is the let's see the challenge. Is in the top row. The parent of this challenge 400 day column is in the top row, and top row have a two columns. One of them is this white, right? So I can just copy this part and put it for the text channel as well. So if I change this, what will happen? I think the rows will be changed. Okay, if I want to change it vertically, I have to say create template columns for this, right? And give it a 1 fraction. Let's see the result. This is not right. So I have to change this one, I think. This have 3 columns, which is, I think that is the top row, the down row. So the down row, I have to change the down row. Okay. Until it will resize to this. The down row. Okay. I have to change the size of this to something like 29. Okay, it's really getting very good. Let's close the inspect. That's good. Okay, now everything has been set. Let's double check everything. Looks great. Let me save it. Okay, I spent 29 minutes, about 30 minutes for today. I'm going to finish the recording, and I'm going to watch a video about how to create QR codes using node.js. Thank you guys for watching. If you still didn't join my Discord channel, I will put an invite link in the description so you can join it. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.